Welcome back to India News. The Food and Drugs Administration inspected 17 food business establishments during a surveillance drive across Kandolim, Anjuna, Vagator, and Mapsa on July 16. 9 units were directed to suspend operations after officials found violation of food safety regulations. The FDA said inspection will continue across Goa and urged food business operators to strictly comply with the prescribed norms.
My God. रात को भी बनाया था उसी का पूरा वही हो गया। Here, why you have not kept broken time?
15 months, 2023. Shirodka last shop.
Call him and ask.
여기 축구래요, 축구.
कोई किरे पडला ते आणि पडला किती चालतं सांगता ते
Our FDA team today carried out a follow-up check at Mapsa Alankar area. The outlets that were directed to close the other day have still remained closed, and it is observed that they have been carrying out some corrective checks. We have reiterated that they will have to ensure that each and every point is complied. Similarly, we have also been taking up this issue with the Mapsa municipality to restrict full-fledged cooking area at this area. We will suggest that they carry out cooking in some other premises with our license, and then only the finishing be done at this area. If they do so, then that will help them to also keep this place in a hygienic manner, because as we see currently there are no facilities here to carry out full-fledged cooking unless and until a proper food court is being made here with the adequate facility of waste disposal and water facility. Then might be we could allow other activities, but for now we have to restrict cooking based on our past experiences. As and when we have directed them, for the first few days they maintain the hygiene, but then we see that they revert back in the same old unhygienic fashion, and this primarily because they engaged in full-fledged cooking. So this is what we are going to take up and direct them to stop. We will be monitoring this and all the other areas in Mapsa, Bardes. Similarly, the team also visited areas in Anjuna and Kalangud. We had received a few complaints through social media, and we've checked those places also. Of the 11 inspections done there, 9 of them were not up to the mark, although some of the non-compliances were minor, but nevertheless we have asked them to close their operations and we've asked them to comply everything, and once the compliances are submitted, we will assess their situation and give them permission to resume operations.
तर आता अलंकार तुम्ही पडते येयला न्हू, फाटल्या 5 ते 6 दीस पयलीं येयलेले 5 तुम्ही बंद केलेले कितें आता हांगा आनीक कितें एक्शन घेता तुमी आता?
ते बंद केल्ले ते बंदूच आसा, आनी त्याच्या भायर जे त्या दिसा आमकां मेळूंक ना ते आयज आमी चॅक केल्ले आसा. म्हाका दिसता आमी आयिल्ल्या कारणान तांणी सुदारप केल्लें आसा जे त्या दिसाक नासलेले. दे वर एंटिसिपेटींग दॅट वी वूड कम, अँड टुडे वेन वी हॅव सीन जे कोण आयज ऑपरेशनल आसा तांचे मायनर कितें नॉन कंप्लायन्सीस असलेले म्हणून आम्ही तांकां फक्त नोटिसीस दिल्या टू इम्प्रोवायज ऑन दॅट, बट वी हॅव नॉट आस्क्ड एनी वन एडिशनली टू क्लोज. ऑल दी अदर्स वर क्लोज दी अदर डे दे रिमेन नॉन ऑपरेशनल.
ती बंद आसा.
हय ती बंद आसा.
आयज कोण बंद करूंक ना.
आयज अशें बंद करूंक ना, कित्याक कंडिशन्स आयज बरे आसा. बट वी हॅव ऑल्सो टेकन अ डिसिजन दॅट वी वील बी कॉन्स्टंटली मॉनिटरींग दीस प्लेस बिकॉज such area requires our constant monitoring. So every month or every 45 days we will make sure that we are visiting this place to maintain hygiene, because this is a hotspot for food and this is open till late night and a lot of people come and eat over here. So we have decided that we will be keeping this on our surveillance.
आनी सर आतां ती बंद केल्या ती केन्ना हें कितें आहा तुमचें आतां?
ते आतां एक तर तांणी जे आमचे कंडिशन्स दिल्या ते सगळे कंप्लाय करूंक जाय. कंप्लायन्स करून तांणी आमकां इन रायटींग कंप्लायन्स दिवंक जाय. ताजेर आमी केसीसी बूक केल्या. सो फुडलें कितें तेंचेर पिनल एक्शन आसा तेवूय आमी घेतले सायमल्टेनियसली. आनी वी वील ऑल्सो टेक अप द मॅटर विथ म्युनिसिपालिटी अँड डिसायड एज टू एट वॉट लेवल वी हॅव टू अलाव देम टू ऑपरेट हियर. We are of the opinion that they cannot carry out full-fledged cooking. They need to hire some other place or some other kitchen, do the pre-preps, then only finishing has to be done in this area because there are no facilities. So हे सगळे आमी आमच्या रिपोर्टांनी घातलेले आसा and this will be taken up in our inquiry.
आनी खंय बंद केल्या आयज तुमी थंय?
आयज अंजुना आनी कलंगूट ह्या एरियान आमी गेल्ले आसा. 11 इन्स्पेक्शन करून 9 तातूंतले आमी बंद दवरूंक लायले टेम्पररी.